Testing, testing. What's going on, all my beautiful people? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game internet marketing. First and foremost, guys, I want to thank you guys who dropped into my work from home, make money affiliate with Marlon O Bennett new YouTube video channel. I want to, I just started a brand new series, and I want to thank you guys. I just started the series today, guys, and I want to thank you for actually popping in and sitting in on the video. And what I want to let you guys know is this series is never going to end, guys, okay? And there's a lot more explosive information in addition to all the affiliate marketing tools and resources that you'll find in the YouTube video description area. But what I want to talk to you guys about today, guys, is I'm actually building out this brand new channel. Now, for you guys who miss me and you want to learn a little bit more about me, you can go over to my other channel, which I'll leave a video link for in the YouTube video description area. I'm actually in the process of developing some new channels, so I'm back and forth between those channels. But one of the things I want to do to build this particular channel up, guys, is I'm actually going to have a work from home, make money affiliate with Marlon O Bennett YouTube video series. And this new channel is I'm actually implementing a big $10 cash giveaway. As you guys can see, I got a big $10 bill in my hand, and so it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's just a way for me to create some incentive and some interaction with you guys to get this channel up to speed. And so I'm going to invite you guys to subscribe to the channel if you're finding it right now. If you want a chance to earn yourself an actual $10, it's going to be a lot of fun, guys, doing this. I'm actually uploading, well, I'm editing the videos out right now, and I'm having a lot of fun. And I want to thank everybody who happens to find the video, my work from home, make money affiliate Marlon O Bennett videos, and just watching the videos and subscribing to the channel. I know that it's a very trying time right now. A lot of us are challenged, with either being furloughed or not being able to go to work. So this is a great way to stay home and learn some things you never knew. Particularly where internet marketing is concerned. And so I'm going to be giving away $10. We're going to be having a lot of fun. You guys are going to want to stay plugged in and watch this as I do this. Now, I know $10 is not a lot of money, but what I'm thinking about doing, if no one who participates in the big $10 giveaway, cash giveaway, if nobody can answer the riddle, because that's how this is going to work, maybe I'll put that $10 into an escrow account until somebody does get the right answer, and that way we can build this $10 into a lot more money. Okay, so that's what I'm excited about, guys. I'm working on this channel, I'm building it out. I could use you guys' support, or again, I'm going to leave a link for my other YouTube channel. You guys can pop over there if you want and check that channel out. In the meantime, guys, my work from home make money affiliate with Marlon, the second video in this actual series, I'm just doing some editing to it. That video should be ready within the next 24 hours. I want you guys to encourage you guys to stay plugged in, because I got some super resources and tools I'm going to be introducing you guys to on this channel. And not only that, I was going to give you guys an opportunity to learn some things you never knew. Again, this is for people who want to work from home and make money, affiliate marketing, and all the different tools and resources that you can use to actually get that going. And I'll always leave the links in the YouTube video description area for everything that I use. And again, I just want to say thanks to you guys for popping in. I'm trying to build the channel out, and I want to say thanks again so very much. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, guys. $10 again is not a lot of money, but hey, maybe you can order yourself a small miniature pizza, right? I don't know, maybe a sub, who knows? But we're gonna have a lot of fun doing it, and I want to thank you guys again. I want to wish that hope that you guys are staying safe during these really crazy times, and we just getting started. Okay, so thanks so very much again, guys. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. Watch for the videos. Go ahead on and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.